Do you enjoy playing games? Of course, that might be your favorite activity. Kids, sports and games both are the source of recreation. They keep us fit, healthy and active. Look at these pictures. What do you see in these pictures? Yes, you can see a boy swimming, children playing, and there are different pictures of pools. So kids, today we are going to learn a poem on swimming. Kids, do you like to swim? Of course, you might, because it is the best sports where you can be relaxed and enjoy with water. It's fun. So let's see what is there in this poem. Let's learn and enjoy the poem. Let's begin.
So kids, let's begin. This is the first page of Unit 5 Swimming. List some of the indoor and outdoor games that you like to play. So this is the activity 1, that you have to list some of the indoor and outdoor games that you like to play. So do you know the meaning of indoor and outdoor? So indoor means which we can play either at our home or in a specially constructed indoor area. Okay, and what do you mean by outdoor? So these outdoor games we can play in the playground and the daylight. Okay, so let's check the list of indoor and outdoor games. So kids, which is this game? Yes, it is carom. It is an indoor game. Any guesses for this game? It's an ancient game and it is a team sport played between two teams of 7 players each. Yes, it is kabaddi. Kabaddi. Next is, this is a brain game. It is a 2-player strategy board game played on a checkered board. Yes, it is a checkmate game. It is known as chess and it's an indoor game. Next is, this is an outdoor game. It is a very popular tag game. Yes, it is Kho-Kho. Oh, you must enjoy playing this game. Now kids, I have given you some examples of indoor and outdoor games. There are many indoor and outdoor games. I'm sure you would like to play that. Now kids, look at these pictures. What you can see in this picture? Yes, a boy is swimming, and there are other pictures where there is a water park or there is a pool around, right? So this all indicates that we are talking about swimming. So let's start with the activity 2, enjoy the poem. So let's begin the poem and enjoy it. Swimming. When all the days are hot and long and Robin Bird has ceased his song, I go swimming every day and have the finest kind of play. So here poet is saying that जब दिन बहुत हॉट और लॉन्ग होते हैं, हॉट मतलब गर्म और लंबे, ऐसा कौन सा टाइम होता है जब हॉट और लॉन्ग होते हैं डेज़? यस, यू आर करेक्ट, समर सीज़न में इतनी गर्मी होती है और डेज़ जो है वो बहुत हॉट और लॉन्ग होते हैं. और फिर वो बोल रहे हैं कि रॉबिन बर्ड जब अपना गाना बंद कर देता है, व्हेन ही स्टॉप सिंगिंग, तब क्या होता है? मैं स्विमिंग जाता हूँ रोज़ और वहाँ पे मज़े से खेलता हूँ and have the finest kind of play. I have learned to dive and I can float as easily as does a boat. जितना easily boat float करती है water पे, मैंने भी float करना सीखा है और dive करना सीखा है. Kids, what is the meaning of dive? Dive means डुबकी लगाना. So see, this is the picture of dive. Okay, I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till daddy tells me to come out. So here it's saying कि मैं splash करता हूँ and plunge करता हूँ. What is the meaning of splash? Splash means छप करना. Okay, and plunge means jump मारना and laugh and shout, हंसता हुआ चिल्लाता हो. तब तक डैडी मुझे बोलते हैं dear come out. It's much too soon. I'd like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And Daddy Duck, how I love him. He lets his children swim and swim. अब यहाँ पे जो बच्चा है वो थोड़ा jealous हो जाता है. बोलता है मुझे डैडी ने बाहर बुलाया लेकिन ये बहुत जल्दी बुला लिया, ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मैं भी रोना चालू कर दूँ, डैडी ने मुझे बाहर क्यों बुलाया। मैं देख सकता हूँ कि डक्स कितने अच्छे से स्विम कर रहे हैं, मुझे ना डैडी डक बहुत पसंद है, वो कैसे अपने बच्चों को स्विम करने देते हैं। आई फील दैट आई वुड बी इन लक इफ़ ओनली आई कुड बी अ डक। नाउ ही इज सेइंग कि काश मैं इतना लकी होता कि मैं डक होता, अगर मैं डक होता तो मैं पूरा टाइम स्विमिंग ही करते रहता। सो दिस इज़ अ पोएम रिटन बाय क्लिंटन स्कॉलर एंड थ्रू दिस पोएम ही wants that one should be happy in their life and just swim. So kids, I hope you had fun learning this poem. Now kids, as we are talking about swimming, do you know some basic swimming strokes? Let's learn about them too. So let's begin. The first one is freestyle stroke. We can call it as front crawl too. Second one is backward stroke. It is the most relaxing stroke I feel. Third is breaststroke, like a frog. Fourth is side stroke. Fifth is butterfly stroke. So kids, these were the 5 major swimming strokes. I hope you learned something new. Now let's go to the next activity. Look at the words in A and match them with images in B. So column A में words दिए हैं आपको और आपको वो words को उनके images के साथ match करना है. So let's get started. First one is dive. So यहाँ पे कौन सा images suit कर रहा है dive को लेके? So yes, this one. Then second is float. So yes, this one is float. Then next one is boat. So boat कहाँ है यहाँ पे image में? Here, this one. Then there is robin bird. इसमें से bird कहाँ दिख रहा है तुम्हें? Robin bird. Yes, this it's here. Then there is plunge. So what is the meaning of plunge? Plunge मतलब मैंने तुमको बताया था कि energetically jump या dive करना. So see here it is plunge. And the last one is splash. Splash means छप छप करना. Okay? So it's here. So kids, we have got our answer. We have done match the following. Now let's go to the next one. So kids, here there is one more short poem on swimming. So let's enjoy it. Swimming. Swimming in the swimming pool. When days are hot or days are cool, in the swimming pool. Backstroke, side stroke, fancy diving too. There is no place I would rather be than in the swimming pool. So here in this poem it's saying that मैं स्विमिंग करते रहूँ चाहे गर्मी हो या ठंडी, बैक स्ट्रोक, साइड स्ट्रोक और फैंसी डाइविंग भी करूँ. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड मी, अगर मुझे ढूंढना हो तो मैं और कोई जगह नहीं पर मैं स्विमिंग पूल में ही मिलूँगा. सो किड्स, ये शॉर्ट पोएम भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थी, राइट? नाउ लेट्स डू एन एक्टिविटी. In this activity, in the A column there are words and in the B column there are images. You have to match the words with the correct images. Now see the first one, backstroke. So backstroke, कौन सा image है backstroke का? Yes, the last one. So यहाँ पे हम लोग इसे match करेंगे. Then side stroke. Yes, the first one, very nice. And fancy diving. So इसको fancy diving बोलते हैं. Okay, so here we end our learning.
So kids, did you enjoy this poem? Wasn't it amazing and interesting? Kids, I hope you enjoyed this poem and you learned also about swimming. So kids, see you next week. Bye. Take care. Have a wonderful day and enjoy swimming.